Good morning, class. This is Good Morning from Mrs. K. Hall and baby Evelyn. I hope everyone is doing well at home. Um, every morning we are going to come on here and do our daily number corner and talk about what the assignments are for that day. So let's get started. As you can see here, we have our number corner. If you remember, we were talking about time. We had 4 analog clocks and then a digital clock, and then it continued the pattern. So let's check and see what today is. And here's today right here. Let me zoom in. There we go. So take a look at our clock right here. Let's check and see what time that is. I'll give you just a moment to figure out what time that is. So that clock says 2:30 p.m. or a.m. We're not quite sure, but we know that it's 2:30. Yes, it's 2:30. So now that we know it's an analog clock and it's 2:30, all right, so now we are on our calendar grid observations. Remember when we wrote this on the chart next to our calendar? We have the date, type of clock, what time is shown, and how much time has passed. So let's take a look at what today would be. Today is March 23rd, 2020. It is an analog clock. And the time showed 2:30. Now, on Sunday, yesterday, it showed 2 o'clock, and now it showed 2:30. We know that that is 1/2 hour. So a half an hour, which also equals 30 minutes. All right, here we are at our spinning at our pennies, nickels, and dimes spinner to see how much we're going to collect today. Let's spin away. Oh, we got a line. Let's try it again. All right, so here is what we got. We got 3 pennies and 1 dime. You are making a mess. There you go. So we have 3 pennies, 1, 2, 3, and a dime. So those are our penny and dimes. Remember that a dime is worth 10. Here's our poem. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Here is our nickel, which we didn't get on this draw, but we will during the week. Nickel, nickel, thin and fat, you're worth 5 cents, I know that. And here's our penny. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown, and worth 1 cent. So let's head back to our grid. So if we're looking at here, let's think about how much money we have right here. We have 10 cents. So let's see. All right, here, come here. 10 cents plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And let's use our counting on strategy. So we're starting at 10, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 cents today. We'll have to see what we get tomorrow to see if it's greater or less than our 13. So just a reminder that today's homework should be on our group. It is also going to be, let me pull it up quick. And here is our homework for today, March 23rd, 2020. We have 20 minutes of reading. Make sure that you do 20 minutes of reading on your own, and then you could also read with a partner or a parent for 15 minutes. That would be great. No writing for today. Math, please do page 71 and 73 of your packet. It will look very familiar. It's one of our math workplaces. And then please work on your sight words. You were sent home with some sight words. You can make flashcards. I know we talked about that in class on Friday before spring break. Work on your sight words. You can write down the ones that you have a little bit hard time with and make sure you work on those. Hope everyone has a great Monday, and let's have a great time doing our work. Say bye.